How to delete Zelle account? First of all, open the app on your device and log in with your credentials. Next, tap on the profile icon or menu option, usually located at the top left corner of the screen. Look for settings or account settings and select it. Scroll down and find the delete account or close account option. Tap on it and you will be prompted to confirm your decision. Make sure to read any warnings, as deleting your account will remove all your payment history and personal details from Zelle. You may also be asked to verify your identity either through a confirmation code sent via email or SMS. Enter the code to proceed. Finally, confirm that you want to delete your account. Once completed, your Zelle account will be permanently deleted and you will no longer be able to send or receive payments using that account. If there is no delete option in the app, you need to contact Zelle customer support to delete your account. Be prepared to provide your account information to the support team for verification. If you are using Zelle through your mobile banking app, contact your bank or credit union to cancel your Zelle service. Now you know how to delete your Zelle account safely. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.